Hey everybody, Johnny Flyer, and I am like a kid at Christmas right now. So just got in a brand new lot of just kind of spare parts, but some really cool stuff in here. None of it terribly rare. In fact, I think none of it rare at all, but enough to really start up a good closet of spare parts, and then some kind of neato bits and pieces that would be fun to work on. Got a complete 302 AC, which I think I will be able to put that back into function. And then I've been looking for a couple of chassis like these to kind of test out armatures without having to tear apart something. And this will give me the opportunity to test these out, test out function, and I just put it on something that lets me check and make sure that the electrical system is working the way it should. A couple of reverse units here. This one's a little has a good patina on it. This one's looking, sorry, as I trace my finger over here, this one's looking a lot better. And in fact, I think this one actually might be able, if you look in there, yeah, it's actually not looking too bad. We might be able to get that to run as is. Got a neat smoke unit, which I was hopeful might be workable, but that's not looking good. So that's okay. Got an armature in, and that'll go, I think, in the bin of armatures that I picked up the other day. And otherwise, just odds and ends, bits and pieces. But as I'm learning, as I'm starting to get into the American Flyer repair mode, that a spare bunch of parts is always a very good thing to have. So I'll start doing some more videos on this group here. I'm not sure what really to call it other than just sort of the junk pile. But this 302, I'm very excited to get started on, because it's kind of a step up from that 300 that I put back together. And it does have smoke and some other kind of neat things on it that the 300 did not. But, well, that's it here. And now I got to get my hands dirty and get this stuff cleaned up. Thanks for watching.